Hi everybody, this is Wendy at The Broken Needle, and today is part 6 of our series on quilting with rulers. Today I'm going to show you some simple echo quilting. If you've missed any of the other parts of our series, you can check them out on YouTube, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so that you can be reminded when we have a new video. In this example, we're going to echo quilt this star using the straight side of the 12-inch arc. We're going to start at this point, travel to the inside corner, and then back to this point, and continue all the way around. To begin, I've already made marks at each point in the star as a guideline. The first echo is 1/4 inch from the seam. The edge of the template is exactly 1/4 inch from the needle. So all I need to do is put the edge of the template on the seam. We're going to start right here at the top of the point to the inside corner. Holding the edge of the template up against the ruler foot, we're going to travel to the first point. Stop, and with the needle down, rotate the fabric. Align our template on the seam and up against the ruler foot. Now we're going to travel to the inside corner. We're going to stop when the ruler foot hits the seam and turn the fabric again. Continue traveling around to each point. Ta-da! Echo number 1 complete. Now we're going to do a second echo. This time, we're going to place the first line on the template on the seam. Again, we're echoing around, traveling up to each mark that we made earlier. We'll stop, rotate the fabric, and then we'll be traveling down to the inside corner. Notice I've made a mark at each inside corner as a guide. Now I'm going to make a third echo. This time I'm using the second line on the template on the seam. The edge of the template gives me 1/4 inch from the needle. The first line on the template gives me 1/2 inch from the needle. And the second line on the template gives me 3/4 of an inch from the needle. Ta-da! Echo's complete!